Soccer DBB number 666, and that is one box of 2019 Prizm Premier League first of the line. One shimmer autograph, one shimmer base per box. So good luck, guys. We'll see what we get. Here we go, guys. Good luck. Alright, we got base. Insert is Wilfried Zaha and Ilkay Gundogan for Manchester City, number 2, 149. Quick. There comes the first hit, I guess. Looks like, yep. Here's the first hit. Let's hope we get another one like that. Oh, here's the shimmer, guys. Wow. This is the shimmer. So one is the shimmer auto and one is maybe. Or we get an extra hit. That would be nice too. Alright, first up, Yedlin and to 75 for what? For Troy Deeney. To 75. We got Joao Moutinho Hyper, sorry. Let's see. We got Prizm of Buendia for Norwich and Rashford Hyper Scorers Club. We got Fireworks Shaqiri and Antonio Rudiger Hyper. We got Shaqiri again and blue Van Dijk. Wow, Liverpool box so far to 199. Come on, give us an extra hit here. That would be nice. Here we go. We got Dalot Prizm and Romeo for Southampton Prizm. Got Wolves, Gibbs, White, and Tosun for Everton to 99. And multi is Ben Godfrey, Bjarnason multi. Come on, give us an extra hit. No extra hit. So these. It's Van Dijk and Iheanacho to 149 for Leicester. So we got the shimmer auto and the shimmer base here. So good luck, guys. Let's check it out. This should be the autograph. No, this was the base. Yeah, this was the base. All right, good luck. Let's see. It is going out to. Oh, it's a red. A red base. It is Mark Duffy for Sheffield. Sheffield is Torsten, 3 of 8. Nice on that, Torsten. Congrats. So Mark Duffy for Sheffield United. Alright, let's see the autograph. Good luck, come on. Autograph. Multi is Jimenez for Wolves. Let's see. Do we get a regular one? Is it a legend maybe? Oh, it's a light blue? No. It is blue. Ooh, nice. Let's hope it's the one I'm guessing. But we find out. Here we go. No. Ooh, it's upside down. I'm sorry, guys. Mix it up here. Who is it? Ian Wright. Nice. Ian Wright for Crystal Palace. Arne, congrats. Die brauche ich, glaube ich, sogar noch. Wenn du sie abgibst, sag Bescheid. Ian Wright for Crystal Palace. Club Legend autograph. Congrats. That does it already for the break, guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. I'm out. Peace.